Welcome back. Brief introduction of mine. I'm Shailesh Fulsange, father of a superboy, a hotel since 1988 Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. We were discussing on the restaurant menu. In this video, I'm going to continue with the menu part of it. I'm going to talk on menu presentation. How important is your menu presentation? Your menu creates a solid impact when you first hand it over to your customer in the digital format as of today, or in the printable format in person. Now, we say first impression is the last impression, and that's a fact. In terms of menu, it gives a lot of positivity or negativity when you first hand over your menu to the client or the customer. Secondly, the range of offerings which you are giving to your customer, how it is planned, how it is priced, that also plays a very, very vital role. It makes more effective when whatever you are offering, it should have or it should give value for money. It should feel that your food has some value when you're going to deliver to your customer. The quantity also speaks a lot. When it comes to the service part of it, yes, it makes a lot of difference. So it's not only printing the menu and giving it to the customer. There are a lot of things which are important. Now, when you design your menu, your design will be looked at from very, very professional perspective. The size of your menu, the color, the typography, the layout, it should reflect your restaurant format, or it should reflect the theme of your restaurant. Now, when it comes to the menu items, you must have seen lot of people, especially the Shetty-owned hotels, they will put everything, anything and everything on the menu. So 200 items, 150 items, 300 items I have seen people put on the menu. We say it is the Kashmir to Kanyakumari menu. It should not be like that. The more the items, you are increasing your inventory at your back office or in your stores. Now, inventory means you're blocking your capital. So you must have seen mostly when people order the food, they will browse to the menu and they will offer a regular dish most of the times. So when you are presenting your menu, items should not be more nor it should be less. It should be balanced. It has to be balanced. In my last video, I had spoken about this. Now, most of the times you have put so many items on the menu, and there are certain items which are seasonal and they become not available. So you have to be very cautious when you're designing your menu. You should put items which will be available, or make a separate column only for seasonal items. Now, when it comes to the availability and non-availability of your dish, you have put the dish on the menu, and you are making it not available every time. When the customer is coming to you, you will lose the customers. Once in a blue moon, if the dish is not available, that's okay. But every time if you are making it not available for whatever reason, you're gone. You will lose the customer. Keep your descriptions of your menu short. A lot of people write complete Ram Kahani as the description. It is not required. It should be short, and the communication has to be delivered. The customer should understand, okay, this particular item is this. Very importantly, when you present your menu, whatever you're committing, on your menu, it should be delivered. Hail, rain or storm. Availability, non-availability, the portion size, the freshness, whatever you have said on your menu. You say fresh fruit juice. So ensure that the fruits are fresh. That's a small example. So whatever you're committing on your menu, it should be delivered. With this, I'm winding up. If you like my video, say like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. I will get back with many more videos. Till then, namaskar.